Welcome to the amazing world of eagles, nature's magnificent rulers of the sky. These incredible birds are true aerial masters, with wingspans that can stretch up to 7.5 feet wide. Just imagine, when an eagle spreads its wings, it's as wide as your bedroom door. That's bigger than most kids are tall. These majestic birds truly dwarf many of the things we see every day. Eagles have incredible superpowers, especially their eyesight. They can spot a tiny fish swimming in a lake while soaring as high as a 10-story building. Eagles are master builders too. Their nests are absolutely enormous, about the size of a small car. These amazing homes, called eyries, are used year after year, with eagles adding more sticks each season. And when it's time to catch dinner, eagles are nature's perfect fishing champions. They dive through the air at incredible speeds, using their razor sharp talons to snatch fish right out of the water. Baby eagles start learning to fly right in their nest. They practice flapping their wings for weeks before taking that brave first flight into the big blue sky. Here's something incredible to remember: eagles can soar as high as airplanes and live for up to 30 years. These remarkable birds truly are the kings and queens of the sky.